Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This is day 13 of JavaScript 30 challenge. So I have already opened our starter file in the VS Code, also run the live server here. So in our actually starter code, there is a div container, and inside div container we have a lot of text. So if we go to the output of this file, then this is the output of the file. You can see here there is a space, blank space. This is basically a space for image. If you inspect this, there is an image, but it is actually invisible. So what will be the final output? Let's see the final output. So this is the final output. When I scroll, the image is slide in. You can see the image is slide in. So our main purpose is basically today is using JavaScript. How can we make this slide in effect? So let's begin with the code. So let's go to the starter code. Here we have a script tag here. Inside our script tag we have a function called debounce. I will discuss about this later, but at first take all the images here. Images equal to document dot query selector all the images have a class, I think, that is slide in. So let's take that. So we have taken all the images with slide in. Let's console log it check. So we have all the 5 images here. Now I have to add a event listener here that will be actually scroll. The event listener will be scroll, and it will call a function that is scroll effect, right? So I will write the function scroll effect, and I will take our event as a parameter, then console log the event. If I now see the console, then whenever I actually scroll, there is event registered here, but there is a lot of events, right? So let's count this event, basically change it to count. So as you can see, whenever I scroll the page, there is a lot of event, 256 event already. So there is a problem. The problem is whenever a lot of event is registering here, the performance of the website may hamper. So for this we will use this debounce function. What debounce function will do, it will actually stop the event, or actually slow down the event, so that for every 20 millisecond only the function will be called, right? So I will just debounce this function as a parameter to the debounce function. So the debounce function I have taken from a website, so it is actually written by someone else. So now see the effect. Whenever I actually scroll, only a few events is registering. So that is the purpose of debounce. Okay, our performance of the website will not be hampered for this. Now what we have to do, actually we have to do some calculation here. For this we have some attribute given here. Let's try this. First one is window dot scroll y. What window dot scroll y does, let me show you. Window dot scroll y, right? So it actually give us a value, that is how much we are scrolling. Also, if we add window dot inner height, that means the height of the window, then I will get the position of this end line. Okay, let me show. This is the whole window height, and we have added how much we actually scrolled from this top. This is the top of the website. If I scroll, then this height will be added to this scrolled portion, so I will get the height of this end position of the website, right? So I will get this. So let's apply a function to all the images for each image. I'm adding a function. So here what I have to do is, whenever I actually scroll down, I have to measure the position so that I can reach the middle of a image tag, right? So I am adding constant midway, or let's call it halfway. What will be the halfway? The halfway will be actually the scroll y plus inner height and minus image dot height, right, divided by 2. So it will actually give us the all the way from the top to this position, and we need actually go to the this position, right? This position. So we have our halfway here, then we actually compare is halfway. So we actually compare is halfway, is it the halfway? So let's compare it to make it confirm. So halfway must be greater than image dot offset top. What image dot offset top actually returns? Image dot offset top actually returns from the top to the top of the image, from the web page top to the top of the image height. Okay, so if we actually scroll a little bit of this portion, then the image will appear, right? So there is another condition, that is whenever I come from the bottom, at this moment also the image will appear. So for this I have a bottom way. For bottom way I will add image dot offset top plus image dot height, and check is bottom way equal to, if the bottom way is greater than our window dot scroll y, then this is actually the correct position. Then we will add an if condition, and we will call is halfway and is bottom way. If both the condition is true, then what we will do, we will actually add css class here. That css class is active, right? So if it is active, image dot class list dot add active, else we will remove the class active. Image dot class list dot remove. Sorry. Now let's check the output. So this is our output. When we are at the halfway, the image is appeared. From the bottom it is also working. So this is it for today. We can use this code for various purpose. So everything in this code will be in my GitHub repository. You can check the GitHub link from my description box. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Also give it a like. Thank you. Thanks for watching.